Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first we should open the gallery application. So just now let's first take a picture to hide it. So let's open the camera app. So now let's open once again get the gallery, and let's just remove to this the hide to these photos. Just click to more, tap to hide, and click to OK. Just to find now our hidden photos, switch photos to the albums, click to the three dots and tap to hidden items, and now we can see here there's two hidden photos. To unhide them, just select the photos, tap to unhide, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.